This politico is no Korina Sanchez, but Sorsogon Vice Governor Wowo Fortes knows the importance of having a sturdy pair of slippers. He provided slippers to constituents at Sitio Gabod, Barangay Tarumata in Bulan. He said the sitio is located far from the town proper, which is why residents need a reliable pair of slippers to help them navigate the distance. The Vice Governor also has a wellness program for Sorsogon residents. Before Valentine's Day, he deployed a team in 3 barangays giving free haircut, hair color, hair spa, and even brow threading.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.